Hello, friends. I hope y'all are doing fantastic. We are here tonight to talk about some honeybees. Love this bundle. We used it at card class last night. So every month I have a card class here in Central Arkansas in Little Rock. And we had a record number of people at card class. We had like 16 people there. It was fantastic. We had fun stations. I'll show you what all we made. Tell me if you're here. Say hello. I see a little eye, but I don't know who's here. We made this cute card. Hey, Dana. We made 2 of these. We made 2 little Valentines. Little koala guys. And then we made 2 little note cards with the witticisms. Hey, Chris. The witticisms. So fun. But tonight, we're going to focus on the bees. They're just the cutest. I did hear this week that the bees are, I think they're definitely in the top 5 of things in this new January-June mini catalog. Not surprisingly, because it's Celebration. And Celebration means when you purchase $50 in goodies, then you get something for free. So the obvious choice, hey Terry, for the bee bundle is $41.25. When you add a little something else on to get to $50, then you can choose the Golden Honey Specialty Designer Series paper for free. So that's what we're going to do tonight. We're going to show you how to make this cute card. I call it a puzzle. I call it a puzzle card just because I think it fits together just like a puzzle. But I'm sure it has other names, but I like to give my cards names. So I'll show you. When you come to my card class, the cool thing is everything is done all nice and wonderful for you. So you come and you get this pack of goodies. So everything is all cut and ready. So you can see this is the packet for, it is beautiful. This is the packet for the bee. I got a little crazy there. This is the packet for the note card, and this is the Valentine's packet. So everything is all cut and ready for you. Which that's cool, because then you don't have to do so much work. So everything is ready to go. Alright, so let me get my pieces. So basically this card just honestly has a lot of pieces to speak of. There's nothing that complex about it. I just want to show you how fun it is and how well it comes together. So you're going to, that's going to go off again. I see more people here. Say hello. Hey, Patience. Hello, beautiful. So the basic black, the base is basic black. It's 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. And then you've got this black layer that's 4 by 2 3/4. You've got Daffodil Delight layer that's 4 1/4 by 3, and then a little Daffodil Delight section that's 2 by 1. Designer Series paper is a 1 3/8 by 2, and then you've got a little bitty white piece, 1 5/8 by 2 1/2, and then you're going to need a white inside, which is 5 by 3 3/4. Okay, because you can't write on a black card. So that's all the things that you need as far as your pieces of paper. You're also going to need the Daffodil Delight ruched ribbon. It's on the same page as the Bonanza Buddies. It's super cute. It ties the cutest tiny little bows. And when you come to my class, your bows are already tied and ready to stick. And then you're going to need the Golden Honey Specialty Designer Series paper. And I'll show you why. There's 2 reasons why you need it. Number 1, you need it for this little piece. Now, the reason why it's called specialty is because it has gold, like it's golden. It's got a little shine to it. So that's what that means. And it's got all these patterns. Okay, remember this paper is free with a $50 purchase. So you've got this pattern that we used on the card, some little bees, little flowers, some cute things here. This is the page that we're gonna, one of the pages that we're gonna use. So lots of fun patterns, lots of goodness. Now, of course, because it's Stampin' Up, we have a matching die. So when we have a bundle, we have a matching die. And we have the bee that fits right over this little honeybee. I cut out 40 bees in a flash with that die. We also have this little flower die that cuts this little, let's see, where is it? That's not it. There. So you've got this little flower that cuts that out perfectly. Voila. All right. And then you've got this section that should match. I think I remember seeing it. Yeah, this right here. So that cuts out the bigger bee. So you've got all these cool dies that match this designer paper. And of course the dies match the stamps that we're going to use, that we use. So, but tonight, the only stamps we're going to use are hello, thinking of you, sweet friend. You've also got a thank you, celebrate every moment, and then wishing you sunshine and happiness. So let's get out the hello, and then thinking of you, sweet friend. All right, hey Kathy Brown, thank you for sharing. Anybody? Love it if you shared the video. More people can see and play along with us tonight. All right, so we're going to get these ready. All right, so remember this cool paper. And I have already cut out the bee, and actually the bee itself is black and white, but you're going to use your Daffodil Delight marker, dark daffodil. And then when I colored it just like almost to the edges, but not, because it soaks in so fast that like it'll fill in that little area that I left blank. So just color it in really lightly and just let it, tap it to fill in those edges. So color it with your blend. Hey Andrea, I don't think I've ever seen you on a video. I'm so excited. My little friend from the story retreat. We had so much fun, did we not? Let me see who else is here. I have to touch, oh, I can't tell. Okay, so let's get down to business with our puzzle card. All right, all we need for this card ink-wise is Memento, which is awesome because everyone probably has some black ink. I love Memento. It's fantastic. So all we're stamping are these two pieces. So we've got Thinking of You, Sweet Friend, right here. And then you're going to stamp the hello about here, okay? Because you're going to need room for two things that are coming up. Close this black. Something about black just gets all over everything. Am I right? Oh, you were thinking you needed the stamp set for the bee. Duh, cut it for the paper. Yes. I just happened to see you on here. My girls are watching with me and thought it was cool. Well, hey, girls. I'm so excited. All right. So, what time is it where y'all are? I don't know if y'all are in a different time zone or not, Andrea. All right. So, we're going to... Now, this is all down to, like, snail. So, we're going to use our snail adhesive. And we're just honestly going to put this puzzle together. So I always, when I'm putting a card together, start from the bottom and work my way up. So everything just gets kind of centered. I do think it's a little bit easier to lay these out like so, just to get an eyeball for where they're going to go. Does that make sense? So, and I had already stamped that one, so I just flipped it over. There, and then you've got this little smidge of designer paper here. Gives it just that extra touch. Now, I went ahead and put the dimensionals on here for class because I want to make my classes super simple and fun. So everyone just got to stick their bee on and then stick their bow. Simple as that. And then, of course, they make 2 cards. So you can also make thank you, celebrate every moment. Can also be done. Hey, Sharon Milburn, 7:10 in Oregon. Oh, wow, it's only 9. It's 9:10 here. That's crazy. I do love the designer series paper, Patience. I could just, I've already been through at least a pack, if not 2. And I'm just getting started on the bees. All right. So you can make as many of these as you would like. And the thing is, you're using such a small piece of designer series paper, you literally could go on for days. Now, let's talk about how you can get your free paper. What you need to do is get the Honeybee bundle for sure. And then the Daffodil Delight ribbon. And then you can add snail, dimensionals, whatever, that bumps it up to $53.25. And then you choose the Golden Honey paper, $152.311, and you get that for free, okay? But you don't even have to stop there. You can keep going. So get everything up here, plus you can get the Tuxedo Black and the refill, the Daffodil Delight blend, Whisper White, Daffodil, and Black cardstock, and throw in some glue dots, and you're at $101.25. And guess what? You can get 2 packs of paper. And you're going to need 2 packs of paper. Hey, Sharon! Because you're going to rip through the first pack so fast. Of course, you could always choose another celebration item if you'd like. So let me find 2 more things. Also, when you come to my card class, or by the way, you can get this class to go every month. So this can be a class that you choose to go. One of the ways you can get it to go is just to put in a $40 order, and then you get the cards for free. So the Honeybee card, what you get is a PDF. It shows you exactly how to make each card, and it shows you all of the products used in the card, which is super fun. And then you've got that to use at home when you go home and try to make cards. And then I just want to show you this these samples in the catalog, your $50 purchase. And here's that golden specialty paper. I want to show you some other things that I've made with, or actually my friends and I have made, because you know I love to swap. So swapping is like one of my favorite things. So I just want to show you that obviously the designer paper can be used for other things. It doesn't have to be just honeybees. So you can use it with meerkats. Isn't that a cute fun fold? I may have to copy that. We've got this cool, so again, you can mix it with a different punch bundle. We made this last week, but if you weren't here, you can see how cute that is. We're going to make, well, I'm going to save that one for last. We have some honeybee, another honeybee. This is a copy off of the page. You'll see right here, total copy. We have this guy, so pretty. And then at card class, we made some note cards, and so I was just going to show you how you can use the designer paper to spruce up your note cards just to make those a little bit cuter. Now, what's happening this weekend is Stamp Club. And so at Stamp Club, we are going to make shaker cards. So we're going to make some really cute things with our stamps. And this is what one of the things that we're going to make is the little bee shaker card. It may not look exactly like this, but it's going to look very similar. So I hope that you can come. We still have spaces. I need to know by tomorrow, so message me tonight if you'd like to try that. We also have Stamp Club available to go. So we have people that join it and participate remotely. And then what you'll get for that is access to the Facebook group where we have videos that show you how to do each of the techniques that we learn. And then also you'll get PDFs each month of the card that explains, you'll get 3 projects. And all you have to do to participate in the club is put in a $25 order. So, and then once a year you get $50 worth of stuff. So that's how the Stamp Club works. A lot of the ladies watching here are in it, and they are looking forward to this weekend, I'm sure. So I will put a link up to the the Stamp Club as soon as I post this. And I think that's probably all I have for tonight. I feel like I'm missing something. Oh, let's draw for our winner. I wrote it down here. Last week's winner, we did, oh my goodness. Ooh. Have a drawing. Get my ink pen so I can write it down. I drew before we started here, and the winner was Chris Haskins. I wonder, did you win last week, Chris? I can't remember. All right, so happy shopping. Get your freebie paper, and I'll see you next week. Bye.